I'm at Dryslwyn Castle. The sound's not going to be great. It's a very blowy day, but as architecture goes, this is very different from anything you'd find with a Norman site. So you sort of come up here. This is a tower that's in the gateway that's never been excavated. And look at that down there as you peer down the stairs. And look at this beautiful landscape as you see Dryslwyn. And you've got the castle in front of you. And as you peer all the way over, you get the borough or the townscape associated with Dryslwyn. And down there is the entrance into the area, probably say, into the borough and castellated landscape. It's apparently got 3 wards. This is the outer ward. Then the tower over there, that's the middle ward, and over there is the central ward, the main defended area. So this is the first of 2 videos on Dryslwyn. See if we can get the sound a little bit better. So I just want to sweep a little bit more around here as we enjoy this wonderful landscape. Look at that there, built by Welsh princes in 1197. Archaeology believed to be a lot earlier than that. And I'm probably thinking that the sound is going. Let's sweep out over the entranceway here, but there'd be into the distance into this wonderful site of Dryslwyn. This is KARL-JAMES, LANGFORD, Archaeology Cymru. Enjoy video 2.